Oh.
I didn't put the hot cocoa. I didn't put the hot cocoa. Roderick. You're supposed to use candy melts, like. I breathed it in.
Okay.
You breathed in glitter?
Maybe.
So we just got the stay-at-home order right now, like sent to our phones. Like if you were to get an Amber Alert. My mom and I need to buy eggs and bread. We were gonna go yesterday, but we didn't go, and so now we have to go now, very quickly, and then after that we just won't be leaving for a while. This just turned into a half vlog. We're gonna go with half vlog here, okay? So I'm gonna get dressed in some different outfits so that I can wear this when I get home, because we're gonna get home and wash our clothes. We've been doing that. I wasn't gonna vlog today, but now it just became interesting. So we're double masking because we know it's gonna be crowded when we go right now. So we're double masking and wearing gloves right now. Making my way downtown, walking.
I can't believe we're going out over here like this. You didn't say anything.
I was looking at you.
It's happening.
Oh, it's happening again.
We have a big family though. So
Yeah.
Like, we have a damn reason.
Yeah, we really do. We have
like
6
if
people.
you run out of food, like we gotta run to grandma's because she's got all this. But like we have food, but like I always want to have more. I'm just scared.
More than.
It's because my kids are so damn picky. They only eat eggs and bread.
Yeah. It's already packed. Slowly getting more and more packed. And the lines are getting longer, but I got this. It's pretty cheap. Another person without a mask. Okay, we just got home. My mom set this up and she did a haul. Right now we're gonna wipe them down, so I'm wearing gloves so my hands don't get like irritated. Putting everything away, but I have to clean the pantry. So I'm just gonna put a random outfit on.
And he got busted by 2. He got busted by none. What? We can't eat it there. Me?
Why can't she eat right there?
Because. Right there.
Just move on, so don't leave me a mess.
I didn't make a mess. Sorry, love. Oh, sorry.
You gotta watch when you're pushing that back.
Come here.
Okay,
Sit right here.
I'm sorry, Daddy. Oh, that scared me.
Give me.
Okay, so it's like forever later and I still haven't finished. So let's look. It doesn't even look clean. It's just less on the floor in a mess. I can actually know where everything is now, so that's good. It's whatever. So I'm just gonna continue putting everything away, clean the kitchen so that I can film my hot cocoa bombs. And I also have white ones so that I can decorate them on top. So I'm gonna just melt some. Okay, so I'm gonna put it again. I just don't want to over melt it because then it gets really gross and it's just a waste of chocolate. Okay, There, it's done. I'm not gonna heat it up again because I don't want to overcook the chocolate.
And it looks perfect.
It does. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it in the molds.
Good thing they don't have smell-o-vision.
Look at Peck.
I know. Some people like fill it and then they just empty it like this. So that's what I'm gonna do. Some other people brush it on, but okay, I think the next ones I'm going to brush it in there. Oh, it's actually working a lot better. Okay, so I'm done with these. I'm gonna throw them in the freezer. I hope I have room. And then I'm gonna clean up and do another batch of them because these are actually like less than $9 for 4 of them. Oh, that's pretty good. I'm done with both now. I took a little bit and my back kind of hurts now, but I'm gonna put these in the fridge and I will see you guys in like 10 minutes.
Does it feel? I know. Does it still feel?
No, they're just a little thin, but. Okay, so 3 of them came out, look, like you can see through it. Oh my god, the camera's dying. Okay, so now I'm just gonna melt these and glue them together. That one's a little broken too.
What do you need to do that for? Oh.
I didn't put the hot cocoa. Okay, we're gonna put a generous amount here. And I'm gonna add some marshmallows.
Okay, it's fine. Wait, what's happening? Oh, you're supposed to do that? Yeah, so it could stick.
Okay, so then after you glue it together like that, you're gonna put them in the fridge so they could cool again, and then you can decorate them however you want. And then I'm just gonna make the rest for my family off camera, just so I can focus on it and not feel pressured. The dogs are fighting right here.
That's because Bowser took the toy she wanted. Oh my god. That's why I took the toy away from her.
Oh my god, it's already melting. So here's the hot cocoa bomb. I'm just gonna drop it in because it already started melting.
Wait, what's that? Milk?
See it melting.
Dude.
I'll record the next ones if they come out better. It melted and now the chocolate's everywhere. So one came out nice. Yep. Tastes like hot cocoa, but I just got my case in the mail from this place. Casetify. $1 million. 2-week payments.
Oh my god.
It came so pretty.
It better for $1 million.
It's not the right size. So this is it. It's just flannel. Wow.
I like the edges.
Yeah, it feels nice.
Why doesn't it say casetify? You can't even be a bougie bitch in style.
Only iPhones and the ones that have a camera on the side.
That's dumb.
I know. So normally it says casetify around the camera.
I see it everywhere.
And it didn't give me it, but it's fine. It looks so pretty though.
You can't like that part?
It has white edges. Kind of sad it doesn't have that, but I mean, it's my type of phone. But this is cute. So my dad decided to tell me, after the frustration that I went through with those hot cocoa bombs, which you saw, that you're supposed to use candy melts, like. So that's why it kept melting in my hand. That's why it was just a mess and it was not a good time. So now I'm editing until we do stockings, which you will see now. I breathed it in.
Okay.
You breathed in glitter?
Maybe.
Are you okay?
Maybe. Maybe.
Do I put this in the trash?
Dude, how are you gonna... Oh.
Why are you doing that?
Because the rainbow's too small.
Wow. Who do you think?
Hey, it worked. Nothing happened. I want to wipe it off.
Oh, add some
I like
white
it.
to the bottom. Use that glue and put like
Cloud?
yeah, like a cloud. Perfect.
Gotta shake it off.
We should decorate ours.
Yeah. Why is it all plain red and white?
Here you go. Look how pretty.
Give me. Oh, so cute. Oh, it's so cute.
Okay.
Here, you guys could use pink if you want.
Basic.
She booted.
Oh, you can see it on the bottom.
Oh. You have to mix it, but
You need to stir it.
yeah, I'll mix it for you. I just wanted to show it melting. And she re-said that. Oh.
Really aren't the brightest of a bunch, are you? Hungry.
Anyways, I'm gonna work on my girlfriend's Christmas gift, but I can't show it.
I love doing.
Me too.
Come on, Grace. Paper.
Malcolm is like Greg on Diary of a Wimpy Kid. The main character, but nobody likes him. Roderick. He's so attractive. I mean, I don't even know why.
Get in the car, we gotta go find them. Thieving Harvard bastards. Well. History knows how to multiply. Is freaking out about his future? Well, I am set for life.
Me and Puma just finished working on that little thing.
Gift.
Yeah. If you made it to the end of the video,
Ask them fuzzy socks or normal socks. Come holiday time, do you like fuzzy socks more or normal socks?
and I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed. Oh my god, what happened to my eye? I couldn't even speak. No, I got something in my eye. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my fail of hot cocoa bombs. Actually, like the last few, of course not on camera, were fine. But I'm gonna do it again with the candy melts, like a proper video. and decorate them and make it all cute with like peppermint on top, crap like that. So I need to order those, but I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. I'm so sorry that we have to move you right now.